Photovoltaic or PV power has become synonymous with the worldwide green energy movement. But what does PV power really mean? And how can Carlo Gavazzi help you harness this energy? Hi, I'm Dominic Capobianco, and welcome to Gavazzi Online Solutions. The sun is a vast source of clean energy. In order to capture this energy, PV or photovoltaic panels are used. In order to convert this DC energy from the PV panels to AC energy, we use an inverter, such as our ISGA series. Primarily, there are two types of PV power systems. These are either off-grid or grid-tied. An off-grid system consists of the solar panels and is coupled with a circuit that allows the electrical power to be stored using batteries. These batteries may feed into an inverter that changes the DC power to AC power. These off-grid systems have no interactivity with the power company or the grid. Grid-tied systems are completely interactive with the grid. In North America, inverter manufacturers are required to incorporate sophisticated technologies to monitor and maintain the integrity of the grid. A grid-tied system consists only of the solar panels and the associated inverters, for fewer components and much less maintenance than off-grid systems described previously. All of the grid interactive intelligence is housed in the inverter. With a grid-tied system, the electricity is used by the consumer or sold back to the power company in real time and is not typically stored for future use. Carlo Gavazzi's ISGA series grid-tied inverters are available from 2 to 5 kilowatt and offer a single-phase 240 volt AC output. They provide features that are not typically found on inverters of this size. All ISGA series inverters are equipped with an onboard operator interface that allows the user to monitor the performance parameters of the system, including AC and DC voltages, AC and DC current, AC and DC power, as well as maintenance parameters such as temperature, error codes, and alarm information. Unlike many of the inverters in the industry, heat is dissipated through convection rather than a potentially troublesome fan. Heat generating transformers have also been eliminated, allowing the ISGA units to be as light as possible for ease of installation. The ISGA has an onboard AC-DC disconnect switch, which provides safety and peace of mind during system service. In addition, our rugged weatherproof enclosure allows the units to be mounted directly outdoors in all types of conditions. The ISGA comes equipped with built-in serial communications, which allows users to monitor all aspects of the solar plant from their computer. Optional communications include web publishing, remote enunciation of alarms, email, and text reporting. While these features certainly allow the ISGA inverters to measure up to all other inverters of this size, it is the ability to accept one or two inputs and its incredibly low input voltage that really sets the ISGA unit apart. For inverters with only a single input, an installation has typically been limited to having all solar panels being of one model type and from only one manufacturer. Solar panels could not be mounted in an area that was partially blocked by shade. Also, all solar panels were required to face only in one direction. And to maximize production, preferably, they were facing south. However, with the ISAG 142 and the ISGA 153 and their ability to accept two separate inputs, an installation is no longer restricted by these factors. In fact, a customer can actually mount their panels facing east and west in order to increase production capability. Incorporating a very low input voltage into our design allows us to maximize production throughout the day. Our units will develop full output power earlier and maintain full output power longer than many conventional inverters on the market. Solar power is an important element in the green energy movement, and Carlo Gavazzi's ISGA series have incredible technological advances. For our customer, it means a compact, low maintenance, easy to install solution, but most importantly, maximum energy production and the best return on investment in the industry. If you require further information on this or any other product, please visit us online at www.gavazzionline.com. Should you have any questions or comments, direct them to comments@carlogavazzi.com.